Namaste. Hello everyone. I'm here to start with a very sensitive topic today. It's about relationship. When you speak about the relationship, there are many things we focus in the life. There are main three things which I love to share with you. The first three concepts. The first one, it is known as 3T: time, trust, and treat. Time. Sometime take your some valuable time from your part of your life to spend rather than the Facebook and speak to them face to face with your family, your friends, relatives. The time of quarantine, you can go with the family itself because they are the first relationship in your life for everyone in this universe. So speak to them and know about their lifestyle, how they overcome all the difficulties and challenges, what were their hobbies when they were in their childhood. And it will make your relationship much more stronger and the firm the time you spend with the beloved people. It can be your family, relative, friends, or even your beloved lover. The second thing, trust. The trust, it needs only a fraction of a second to just break in the piece of glasses, but it takes millennium and decades to build up a trust for a person. So be a trustworthy person or a human being to the beloved person whosoever trusts you. And it's not so easy to be a trustworthy person. It's very easy to betray everyone rather than being a trustworthy and being faithful too. So that's the reason I respect dogs in that manner, being faithful or to be loyal and trustworthy too. So I would like to just let you know, don't take any relationship of being what to say, don't play with anybody's emotion or feelings because it hurts a lot. The third thing, tweet. The tweet doesn't mean the party one which you shower the money to the expenses for the party or meetup, etc. A tweet, the type or the way you treat human being, understand people. It's easy to, you can't quantify a people's how you understand, or you can't just say you know a person from since 5 or 10 years. I know him. No, you never ever can quantify a person with the time. It may need a few minutes for some people spending with you. They understand what you are, how you are. So it doesn't mean end up with the judging each other. So so the conclusion for this 3T will be the time is the most important concept in the life. You can bring the relationship stronger and the better if you want to be even the worst case and the vice versa. The second thing, trust. Kindly trust a person whosoever is there in your life so that be a trustworthy person to others too. The third one, understanding or a treat. So kindly treat a person equal as they're treating you. But nothing wrong. You can treat a person even though they treat you bad. It doesn't mean that you need to be in the same manner. You can even treat better. So it will make a guilt feeling for the beloved person or that person to treat you better. The three things you should not do in the relationship. The first one, ego. The second one, impressive. And third one, the chase. First one, ego. As you know, the 3-letter word which can break the 12-letter the word that's relationship. So kindly always look onto it. Do not ever value the ego when you are in a relationship. Any relationship. It may be your parents, relative, or your friends, or even your beloved. If you value a relationship, kindly give up the ego. If you value the ego, you can forget the relationship, what you're going on in your life. The second thing, impressive. Be honest to yourself. Be yourself. The person who really love you will like you or understand you for what you are rather than being how you are. So it's always to be better to be an original paper rather than being a Xerox copy in the life. The third thing, chase. Chase means don't always be chasing someone in the life. If you really want them, if really they want you, they surely come back to you. Every time when you chase someone, the only one thing happens, you fall down. The time you fall down, it hurts. The same thing happens in the time of chase. So the time you start to chase someone, as I said, you fall down. So it hurts. The same way, don't try to impress anyone or don't try to chase anyone. Whosoever wants you, they will surely come back to you. It is written in your life. So always look to certain small things in your life, and there are many more things: being loyal, being faithful, respect each other, understand each other. So it's there. All this concept will make together to a trustworthy, loving relationship. And I hope you like the video for this, and kindly give your comment in the suggestion box, and do like the video so it gives me a motivation to make up the other video. Thank you for watching and giving your valuable time. Have a beautiful day ahead.